Hello friends, I welcome you all to ePatia videos. So in this session we'll be discussing about the GK questions on national parks. So first of all, what is a national park? A national park, it is a park that is in use for conservation purposes. So that is created and protected by a national governments. So we can call it as a reserve of natural, semi-natural or a developed land that a sovereign state declares or owns. So although individual nations, they designate their own national parks in a different manner, and that is there is a common idea, that is the conservation of wild nature for posterity and as a symbol of national pride. So an international organization, that is IUCN. So the full form of IUCN is International Union for Conservation of Nature, and it is World Commission on Protected Areas. In short, it is called as WCPA. It has defined national park as its category 2 type of protected areas. So according to IUCN, that is the International Union for Conservation of Nature, 6,555 national parks are there across the world. And IUCN, it is still discussing the parameters of defining a national park. So the United States of America, it established the first public park or a pleasuring ground for the benefit and enjoyment of the people. So that was called as Yellowstone National Park. So this was Yellowstone National Park. It was established in the year 1872. Although Yellowstone, it was not officially termed as a national park in its establishing law, it was always termed as an Yellowstone National Park in practice, and it is widely held to be the first and the oldest national park in the world itself. So now let's move on to the questions. So which is India's first national park? So Corbett National Park, which is also called as Jim Corbett National Park, it is said to be the India's first national park, and it is also said to be the India's oldest national park. Since it was established first, obviously it should be the oldest national park in India. So Jim Corbett National Park, it was established in the year 1936. So in the year 1936, it was established in the name of Hayley National Park. So that means Hayley National Park. So Hayley National Park's name was changed to Jim Corbett National Park. So Hayley's National Park, it was established to protect the endangered Bengal tigers. So it is located in Nainital district and Pauri Gaharwal district of Uttarakhand, in the state of Uttarakhand. So and it was named after hunter and naturalist called Jim Corbett. So the park, it was the first to come under the Project Tiger initiative. So remember, Jim Corbett National Park is one of the first national park. It came under the Project Tiger initiative. So India is one of the first and well-known national park for tigers. Jim Corbett National Park is one of the first and well-known national park for tigers. So this park had a large area which is divided into 5 zones. The first zone, Girna, it is open to all the public all around the year, and other zones are closed during monsoons. So the elephant safaris inside the park, they are very exciting and they give a close and a safe trip inside the dense forest. So apart from that, the Dikhala zone is best spot to enjoy this wildlife. So this park, Jim Corbett National Park, which is in Uttarakhand, it has a sub-Himalayan belt geographical and ecological characteristics also. So dense, moist, deciduous forest, mainly which consist of sal, haldu, peepal, rohini and a mango trees are present in this national park. So the forest cover is almost 73% of the park, while other 10% of the area it consists of grasslands. So this national park, it contains about 110 tree species, 50 species of mammals and 580 bird species and 25 types of reptile species. So we can say this as an ecotourism destination, and this park contains 488 different species of plants and a diverse variety of fauna. So the increase in tourist activities among other problems is said to be one of a serious challenge to this park's ecological balance. So the endangered Asiatic lions can be found in which national park? The endangered Asiatic lions can be found in Gir National Park, which is in Gujarat. So the Gir National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary, it is also known as Sasan Gir. It is a forest and wildlife sanctuary near Talala Gir in Gujarat, and it is located in 43 kilometers, which is about 27 miles. So Gir National Parks, it almost covers 3 districts in Gujarat. So it is fully protected as a national park. It is a part of Kathir Gir dry deciduous forest ecoregion. So Jim Corbett National Park was earlier known as. So they are asking the initial name of Jim Corbett National Park, which we have studied initially, that Jim Corbett National Park, it was initially named as Hailey National Park, and in the year 1936 Hailey National Park was changed into Jim Corbett National Park, which is located in Uttarakhand. So name the national park that was the first tiger reserve in India. So Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand is said to be the first tiger reserve in India. Name the national park which is located in Ladakh and it is famous for snow leopards. Hemis National Park or a Hemis High Altitude National Park. So it is a high altitude national park in Ladakh, India. Is famous for snow leopards. So it is not only in India, but it is globally famous for snow leopards, and it is believed to have the highest density of them in any protected areas in the world. So that means Hemis National Park, which is in Ladakh, is said to have a more number of snow leopards than any protected areas around the world. So, and it is also the only national park in India that is in north of Himalayas. That is the largest notified protected area in India, and it is the second largest contiguous protected area after Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve and the surrounding protected areas. So this park is home to a number of species of endangered mammals, including the snow leopard. Hemis National Park is India's protected area inside a Palearctic realm, which is outside the Changtam Wildlife Sanctuary, northeast of Hemis, and it is prospered as Solamha Cold Desert Conservation Area in North Sikkim. So the park is bounded in north by the banks of River Indus, and it includes the catchments of Marka, Sumda and Rumbak, and also the parts of Janskar range. It is given that splendid view of Indus and Janskar river. So since these two are the famous river, only remember these two rivers. This park is open from May to September. Where is Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park situated? Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is a national park of India near Vandoor on the Andaman Islands. So it belongs to South Andaman Administrative District, which is a part of Indian Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this park, it was created on 24th May 1983 under a Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. So this park, it was created to protect marine life such as corals and nesting sea turtles, which is prevalent in this particular area, and it was placed under the protection of Chief Wildlife Warden of the Forest Department of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And it is open creeks running through the park area, which is a special attraction of this Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. Where is Sundarban National Park located? Sundarban National Park is located in Kolkata, which is in West Bengal. The Sundarban National Park is a national park, and it is also a tiger reserve and a biosphere reserve in West Bengal. So it is a part of Sundarbans on the Ganges Delta, and it is adjacent to Sundarban Reserve Forest in Bangladesh. So this delta, it is densely covered by a mangrove forest, and it is one of the largest reserves for Bengal tigers. It is a home to variety of birds, reptiles and invertebrate species, including a saltwater crocodile. So remember, Bengal tiger and saltwater crocodile are famous in the Sundarbans National Park, which is in West Bengal. So the present Sundarban National Park, it was declared as a core area of Sundarban Tiger Reserve in 1973 and a wildlife sanctuary in 1977, and on May 4th 1984 it was declared as a national park, and at present it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and this was inscribed in the year 1987, and it is being designated as a Ramsar site from 2019, and it is considered as a World Network of Biosphere from 1989. Which is the largest national park of India? Hemis High Altitude National Park, which is in Ladakh, is said to be the largest national park of India. Which is the smallest national park of India? South Button Island National Park is said to be the smallest national park of India, which is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The total area of this protected island is about 5 square kilometer, and along with the neighboring island of North Button and Middle Button. So both are also national parks only. So it forms a part of Rani Jhansi Marine National Park off the coast of South Andaman Island. South Button National Park in Andaman and Nicobar Island is said to be the smallest national park of India. So this is few questions about national parks in India. So in the next session, let's discuss few more questions. Thank you.